This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, July the 6th, 2011. Let's take a look first at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some scattered clouds across the country with a cold front through the Great Lakes and into the Plain States with some thunderstorms in Nebraska, another complex in Arizona, and some scattered clouds elsewhere. Here's the watch warning map from around midnight. You can see some severe thunderstorm watches down into Kansas and Nebraska, and one in Arizona. Some flood issues over California and Nevada. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is fairly quiet. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, and pretty much almost nothing to maybe a quarter of an inch, and most of this will be falling possibly on Sunday. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a northwesterly flow aloft with a ridge over the southwest and southern states, and at the surface, model wants to show some moisture in the area. Likely will be some afternoon clouds and highs in the low to mid 80s. As we head off to Thursday, still some moisture just to the south of the state. That'll be where most of the rain will be, but will remain dry and highs, like I said before, in the 80s. Friday, still dry through most of the state. Just to our north, there could be an isolated shower in Minnesota, Wisconsin, but highs will still likely be in the low to mid 80s, lows in the 60s. Saturday, maybe a very isolated shower over the far west. Otherwise, it'll still be dry across the state. Temperatures will be warming up by this point with southerly winds, highs nearing 90. And Sunday we could see some low 90s in several places with a southwesterly wind with a frontal system moving in. This could be the next shot we have of some showers and thunderstorms. Also into Monday, as the frontal system looks to be possibly stalling in the area, which could be of benefit after several days or if not weeks of dry weather. And Tuesday, there could be some rain still in the area with a stalled boundary. So we could have several days early next week of some showers and thunderstorms. A week from today, back at the upper levels, you can see a ridge is developing over the south and southeastern states, trough over the Pacific Northwest, and the storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border. And with that, that'll bring a low pressure over northwestern South Dakota, and that could bring some showers and thunderstorms by the middle to end of next week. We go further into Voodoo. This is July the 16th. Ridge still over the southeast and middle Atlantic states with a bit of a trough over the Pacific Northwest. And with that, there could be a storm system nearby that could bring some showers and thunderstorms to the state at that time. And at the end of the forecast period on Thursday the 21st, you can see pretty much a west-east flow across the country with a ridge over the southeast. Fast-moving winds over the U.S.-Canadian border, and with that there could be some isolated showers or storms around. But in any summertime pattern, these will change wildly as model runs go. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.